Radar method. Introduction. Hello students. Have you ever wondered how we measure the distance to far off planets or even know how high an airplane is flying? Today, let's explore an exciting and powerful tool used in physics and space science, the radar method. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. It's a technique that uses radio waves to detect and measure the distance of far objects. Meaning of radar. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. It is a method to detect distant objects and measure their distance using radio waves. A transmitter sends a burst of radio waves to the objects. These waves travels at the speed of light. When they hit the object, say Mars or an airplane, they bounce back and are captured by receiver. Now, we measure the time delay t between when the wave was sent and when it was received. How radar works. A transmitter and a receiver. An airplane is flying, we send a signal, it bounces back and returns to the receiver. Point number 1. A radio wave pulse is emitted from a transmitter. A radio wave pulse is emitted from a transmitter. 2. The wave travels and hits an object like a planet or airplane. The 3. It then reflects back to a receiver. 4. The time interval t between sending and receiving is measured. Formula for distance calculation. Radio wave travel at the speed of light. V equals 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second in air or vacuum. Total distance travels equals V times t. But since the wave goes to the object and returns, the actual one-way distance d is half of Vt. D equals Vt divided by 2. Applications of radar. To measure the distance of nearby planets like Mars. To determine the height of airplanes from the ground. Used in weather forecasting, air traffic control, military and navigation systems. So, remember, the radar method helps us calculate the distance without even touching the object, using just radio waves and time. A smart and simple example of how physics works in real life.